Hi, this is Lena Shea, an Iowa mom, outstanding in my field. Well, actually it's my little garden spot, but I am getting this thing ready for planting. We want to get rid of all this debris so it doesn't harbor insects or disease. I can use this in a hot compost, which will give me some good topsoil and will get rid of the disease and insects at the same time. So we're going to use the hot compost method, which takes more work but gets fast results. We're going to build our compost with many layers. I start with a good layer of brown or carbon base. We're using dry leaves, but you can use straw, shredded paper, but don't use any of the shiny stuff. Then a layer of nitrogen, about half as much. Things like grass clippings, veggies, small weeds, and even coffee grounds. They're rich in nitrogen even though they look brown. So all of this will break down. We need microbes, and where we're going to get it is from just a little bit of dirt right from the garden. I can't use a store-bought stuff. It has to be real garden dirt, or I could use leftover compost if I still have some. Then I sprinkle with water, lightly, enough to make it like a damp rag. I continue to make a layer of carbon, nitrogen, dirt, and sprinkle with water, and do that over and over again till all my grass clippings and leaves are gone. 3 foot high is ideal, but a shorter one worked okay too. To hold in the moisture and to keep the heat in that those microbes are making, we're going to cover it with a tarp and stake it down so it doesn't blow away. To make sure those microbes have plenty of oxygen, we need to stir it every 3 or 4 days. I peel back the tarp and I'm going to move that compost right next to itself so that it will stir it very nicely. First, let's check to see how it's doing. Oh, it's warm in here. Look at the steam. Oh, that's marvelous. Okay, this is working fabulous. And it's still damp, so I don't need to moisten it. If it were drying out, I would have to get some water and sprinkle that again. When I get tired of the fork, I just use my hands, but I do get tired. Have a chair handy. And if you have reinforcements, even better. Good job there, dear. Okay, we're going to sprinkle the parts that are a little bit dry. Don't worry about the parts that are wet, Wally. And then we're going to cover it again with the tarp. I do like the hot bed method so we can get to that good black topsoil as soon as possible. This is Lena Shea, an Iowa mom. Thanks for watching.